All right, so to start off with, I've got out this Liquitex modeling paste, and today's lesson we're going to be trying this out to make beautiful impasto flowers with modeling paste. So I'm going to take a couple scoops of this. I've never used this before, so this is really kind of interesting. It's kind of like that, has the texture of a really thick acrylic paint, and it's really interesting. So gonna mix up a few different colors, and I'll do that, and then I'll be able to make a painting with it. So, and we'll put some of the yellow out. For the shadow of the sunflower, we'll use some of this raw sienna. And I've got some burnt sienna. So I'm going to start by mixing, I'll mix some of this in with the yellow. By scooping some of that up and putting a little dab for the center of the sunflower. And I'm creating all that nice texture using just this little palette knife that I actually was given by this company, Mead. I'll put a link to their supplies in my description. And then I'm going to go ahead now and take this mid-tone shade, and I'm going to scoop some of that up. And I'm just going to put a petal down with that. If you want to do like a one-stroke sort of petal, you can, kind of dab it like that. I like to go away from the flower. It's just a little easier for me. You can see it's making these beautiful marks. Look at that thick, thick paint. And this is just Liquitex Basics paint. So this would be, I could see having a lot of fun using this medium now that I've tried it, for making really thick impasto marks in floral painting with it. It's just amazing. Just amazing. You can really go to town with it. Now I'm going to get some of this yellow, squish a few bright highlights in between. You can pick a spot like that where there's not as much. And this is my first time ever trying this, so I've seen so many videos. I don't like the videos per se because they're just like blobbing, meaningless kind of blobs and calling it a sunflower, even though it looks like a daisy. And I work really hard to um, make it kind of honest when I make a video. And this is a sunflower. And I've seen a lot that say sunflower and it looks just like a purple or pink daisy. So today we're actually doing a sunflower in impasto style with this palette knife. And I think this will be something I do more often. This is so much fun. This is the Amsterdam sap green. I don't know if anyone's tried this before, but if you have, let me know in the comments. And also, um, what tools you like to use when you apply it. Whew, so much fun. This is something I would definitely recommend trying. I'm going to be doing more videos like this. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy this sort of thing. And now I can dab some of that blue around. It's like really like icing this time. I know I say that a lot, but this is like officially like putting icing on a cake. Live and learn. And that was my first try at this, so I think I'll find other videos I can make on it so that you can see more how we can put it to use. But for now, I just wanted to do a sunflower, and you can see the all that texture. And it wasn't a lot of modeling paste I put out, I don't think, to get that. So real 3 dimension and actually a lot of fun. It was very therapeutic. All right, so thanks for joining me for that little video, and look forward to making more for you. And just let me know in the comments if you try it out and how did it work for you. I'll leave a link for this in the description for this modeling paste, and look forward to doing more videos soon. Happy painting, everyone.